Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to locate square root 2 and square root 3 on the number line. The scale which we are choosing is 1 unit is equal to 3 centimeter. So here is the number line on which I have chosen the scale on after every 3 centimeters. Let the point 0 be considered as point A and let the point 1 be considered as point B. So at B we have to make a perpendicular. Since A to B distance is 1 unit, so we have to make a perpendicular at B. You all are aware how to construct a perpendicular. So I am showing the procedure. Go through it. This is the perpendicular made at B. Since A to B distance is 1 unit, therefore we have to choose 1 unit distance on this perpendicular also. That is, we need to choose 3 centimeter distance on the perpendicular. So from B I am making a mark and naming this point as point C. So as AB is 1 unit, BC is also 1 unit. At angle B, this is, you may see this is 90 degree. We join A to C. You all are aware about Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse AC square is equal to the base AB square plus the perpendicular BC square. Here you have seen the base is also 1 unit and the perpendicular is also 1 unit. So the total comes as 2. That is, AC square is 2 and therefore AC is equal to square root 2. This means the distance AC is equal to square root 2. But we want to show this distance on the number line. Square root 2 distance AC is not on the number line. So what we'll do? We just take this AC distance on our rounder and mark a point on the number line. This point, we call it as point D. And this point is square root 2 on number line. Rather we should say AD distance or AC distance is equal to square root 2. You can write AC is equal to square root 2 is equal to AD. If we are supposed to show square root 3 on number line, we should know where is that square root 2 point is. So now we have already searched it out. Therefore now we have to make a perpendicular on this point D once again. The same procedure we are following. This is the perpendicular we are making at D. Now we are observing AD distance is square root 2, but the perpendicular distance should be 1 unit only, that is 3 centimeter only. So take 3 centimeter in your rounder and mark a point here. Let this point be now point E. So AD distance here square root 2 and DE distance is equal to 1 unit. So we have to join now AE distance. So the triangle AED is formed. Earlier there was a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC you have shown this procedure. Now your new triangle is ADE. So in triangle ADE, according to Pythagoras theorem, AE square should equal to AD square plus DE square. AD square is square root 2 whole square, and DE, as I have told, it is 1 unit, so 1 square. So this is 2 plus 1. Square root 2 square is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means AE square is 3. So AE is equal to square root 3. That means the hypotenuse AE is equal to square root 2. Once again, this square root 3 is not on number line. So what we do? We have to again prick at A, take the measurement which is equal to AE and mark a line on the number line. Here it is this point called point F. So you can say this point AF is equal to square root 3. Now I am going to explain you how to show square root 5 on number line. To show square root 5 on number line, again we have to make a number line and mark the points which are at 3 centimeter distance. Here we are aware that 2 square is equal to 4. So what we'll do, we have to make a perpendicular at 2. That perpendicular is of 1 unit, then automatically the base is 2 units and height is 1 unit, and then square root 5 can be located. So the procedure, as I have told, will be as it is. Let this point be point A, and here at 2 let this point be point B. Now at B we have to make a perpendicular by the procedure which I have shown earlier. Here I am making directly, but you can follow the procedure. And here we have to choose 1 unit height. So this is 1 unit height, and let this point be point C. We can join A to C. So you will observe here AB distance is equal to 2 units, BC distance is equal to 1 unit. Therefore, in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square, that is the hypotenuse square, is equal to the base AB square plus the perpendicular BC square. AB we have taken as 2 units, therefore 2 square. BC we have taken as 1 unit, therefore 1 square. The total comes to 4 plus 1, that is 5. AC square is equal to 5. So AC is equal to square root 5. This hypotenuse length is square root 5. Once again, this is not on the number line. So we have to once again break at A, take the distance AC is equal to square root 5 and mark an arc here. This point we call it as point D, and AD distance therefore equal to AC distance, and this is equal to square root 5. This is how you may continue to find out square root 6, which we can start from here, point D. Just make a perpendicular. Always remember the height should be taken as 1 unit only. The perpendicular distance should be 1 unit. The base distances we are changing. Like if you are supposed to find out square root 6 on number line, then AD distance should be taken as base, which is equal to root 5. And the perpendicular should be 1 unit. So therefore you can locate square root 6 on number line, then square root 7 on number line eventually. So all of you should practice this and draw square root 2, square root 3 separately, square root 5, square root 6 and square root 7 on the number line in your classwork copy. Thank you.